Good morning, one and all. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hmm. I am Kranti Jis from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering of Electronics and Communication. I am going to discuss some topics of course name Microwave and Antenna, and the course code is 18EC63. Scattering matrix. Scattering matrix is a topic which we are going to discuss today. A matrix that shows combination of power relationship among various parts of any microwave network is represented as S matrix. Scattering matrix of hybrid plane of T junction. Hybrid T is found with the combination of E plane and H plane T is called a magic tree. Magic T has four ports. This is it. There are four arm 1, arm 2, arm 3, arm 4. Arm 1 collinear, arm 2 collinear, arm 3 defines E plane, arm 4 H plane, sum. A magic tree can be matched by putting turning screws suitably in the E and H arms without destroying the symmetry of the junction. For an ideal costless magic T match at port 3 and port 4, S33 equal S44 equals considering symmetricity at the junction for which S14 equal S41 equal S24 equal S42. At point 3, S13 equal S31 equal minus S23 equal minus S32 is of point 2. S34 equal S43 equal 0. No coupling. S12 equal S21 equals 0 at point 4. These are equal. The S matrix of magic tree can be written as into 4 into 4 matrix S11, S12, S13, S14, S21, S22, S23, S34, S41, S42, S43, S44. Substitute form 5 matrix from equation 1 is equal S11, S12, S13, S14, S12, S22 minus S13, S14, S13 minus S13, 0, 0, minus S14, S14, 0, 0, as you can see. Substitute all there in S matrix. S is equal to 0, 0, my S13, S13, 0, 0, minus S13, S13. S13 minus S13, 0, 0. S13, S13, 0, 0 is equal to 0, 0, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. And second is 0, 0, minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. And the third 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2, 0, 0. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 0, 0. S is equal to 1 by root 2 of 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0 is the S matrix for magic. That's it, guys. Thank you.